Dear students, in this video I am going to explain ray diagrams of spherical mirrors. First I will take concave mirror, then I will explain convex mirror. Then the first ray diagram in which the object is placed at infinity. Infinity means the object is very far from the mirror. You can take example as sun. Then rays of light comes parallel to the principal axis. We know the rule. As it strikes the mirror, it will reflect back through focus and the image will be formed at focus, and you can see easily that the position at which image is formed is focus. Size is very small, that is called point sized or highly diminished, and the nature is real and inverted because we do not have to extend any ray for making image. Thus, the ray diagram number 2 is when object is placed beyond center of curvature. That is, it is not infinity, it is beyond center of curvature. Then the rule number 1 remains same. Parallel light will pass through focus, and second I have taken through center of curvature. We know that when light passes through center of curvature, it retraces its path because angle of incidence and reflection is 0 due to normal incidence, because center of curvature is always, the line passing through center of curvature is always normal on the spherical mirror. The part from where the refraction is taking place is called aperture of the mirror. Remember this point, this is very important. Next, the formation of image will be taking in between center of curvature and focus. Size of image is smaller than the object, and the most important is nature of image is real and inverted. You can see easily that the arrow is inverted between C and F. And then the position number 3 is when object is placed at center of curvature. Then the rule number 1 remains same. Parallel light will pass through focus. Second, I have taken focus, line passing through focus. It will reflect back parallel to principal axis, vice versa. An image is formed at center of curvature. Means when object is kept at C, the image is also formed at C, which means the size will be similar, same, and the nature is real and inverted. Again you can see A dash, B dash is inverted arrow. Next, diagram number 4 is when object is between center of curvature and focus. Then the rule number 1 remains same. The parallel light will strike the mirror and reflect back through focus. Second, center of curvature will again retrace the path, and the formation of image is taking place beyond center of curvature, and you can easily see A dash B dash line is larger than AB, means object is larger, image larger than object. Nature of image is real and inverted. And the diagram number 5, we have an object is kept at focus. Number 1 rule is remains the same rule. We are using parallel light will pass through focus. Second, center of curvature, it retraces its path, and you can see and surprise that both the rays are not meeting with each other either side, like back side also, front side also, it is not meeting. They are parallel to each other. It means the position of image is at infinity. We cannot mark exact point where the image formation is taking place, so it is forming at infinity, and due to forming at infinity it has very large size, means highly enlarged, and then its nature is same, real and inverted. This place of object we use in our automobiles headlights, where bulb is placed at focus and light is going on the road. Next, diagram number 6 and the last for concave mirror, but very important. When object is placed between pole and focus of a mirror, first rule remains same. It strikes back through focus, and second, center of curvature, you can easily see the light is diverging left hand side, so we can converge it by extending the light backward, and it will meet at a point. That point is beyond center of curvature, back side of the mirror, behind the mirror. And the next part is its size is, you can see easily, it is larger than the object, and the nature is virtual and erect. So in first five diagrams we have real inverted image, but the last one, very important, this is virtual and erect image, because the object is placed between pole and focus. This place of object is generally used for as shaving mirror, used by dentists to check our teeth. If there is a problem inside the teeth, then it can be easily seen by making that object larger. Moving to next slide, that is for convex mirror. Convex mirror, we have only two diagrams, because in all the diagram almost the formation of image remains same, the nature remains same. So we have only two diagrams. Number one, when object is placed at infinity, it is a diverging mirror. As soon as light comes parallel to principal axis, strike the mirror and gets diverged. Then we have to extend that light towards focus. Why? Because we know that parallel light always meets at focus. It is not possible in left hand side, because the light is being reflected, rays are being diverged. So we have to extend the second side, means behind the mirror. It will meet at focus. It appears to meet at focus. Thus it is given with dotted lines. So position of image is behind the mirror at focus. The size, you can see easily, it is point sized or highly diminished. And nature, virtual and erect, because we have extended the line to make the image. Next, the number two is when object is placed between infinity and pole, anywhere you can put. You cannot copy this video. You can put anywhere between pole and focus, pole and infinity, the answer will remain same. The first ray parallel to principal axis, light will diverge and it will be extended to meet at focus. And second, I have taken center of curvature, light will go to center of curvature, reflect back and then extended to center of curvature, so that the formation of image takes place anywhere between pole and focus. So you can try for this one. You can change the position, try yourself, and the formation of image will be taking place between P and F anywhere. Thus, the position of image is behind the mirror between pole and focus. The size, you can see smaller size is being formed where this mirror is used mirror is used as the rear view mirror in our automobiles. We can see easily that the image is always erect and virtual, but the size is always smaller. You have vehicle at your home, you go and see rear view mirror, you will see the image will be smaller, but it will be erect. Revise with the help of this video again and again. Try to practice diagrams with the help of scale, pencil, and be confident. Thank you for watching.